5 Best Tea Kettles. Red Chaleira Whistling Kettle for Gas Stove Bouilloire. 2017 Real Hot Sale Red Chaleira Whistling Kettle for Gas Stove Bouilloire 2 liters Stainless Steel Whistle Tea Kettle Water Bottle. Brand name Bouilloire. Type Water Kettles. Certification SIC, FDA, LFGB. Feature eco-friendly. Model number G500. Material stainless steel. Color, red/white/black/silver. Whistling Kettle for Gas Stove Chaleira Bouilloire. 2017 New Whistling Kettle for Gas Stove Chaleira Bouilloire Double Color Stainless Steel Whistle Tea Kettle Water Bottle. Brand name Bouilloire. Type Water Kettles. Feature stocked, eco-friendly. Certification FDA, LFGB. Model number ID0125 Red. Metal type stainless steel. Material metal. 17 cm by 11 cm 1000 ml stainless steel teapot coffee sliver. Brand name Bing On. Type Water Kettles. Feature stocked, eco-friendly. Description: 100% new brand, Q&Dian, model, CD291B. Material, stainless steel. There is silicone design on the hand, to prevent burns. Red Whistling Kettle for Gas Stove Chaleira Bouilloire. 2017 Limited New Red Whistling Kettle for Gas Stove Chaleira Bouilloire Stainless Steel Whistle Tea Kettle Water Bottle. Brand name Bouilloire. Type Water Kettles. Feature stocked, eco-friendly. Certification FDA, LFGB. Model number ID0125 Red. Metal type stainless steel. Heat resistant glass teapot Chinese Kung Fu tea set. The stainless filtering net has 80 holes. A strong capability of filtering. Even the tea powder can be made into mellow and pure tea. Ideal for brewing tea, pu'er tea, green tea, oolong tea, herbal tea, black tea, fruit and flower tea, coffee, tea bag, all kinds of loose tea. It's ideal to be used at home, in the office, in a trip. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.